like he's in Brazil or something. Bro's going still. Monstrous. Come on then, boys. So, today, we're still on a CBR650F. Been watching my previous videos. We've got this little bit, a little bit. Obviously, there's 3 little things that I'm going to be doing to the 636. So, we're going to have a little chill ride today on this, a little chill vlog. And just see how it goes, just see how it goes. So guys, I'm on the road to 500 subscribers. I'm trying to reach this by end of the year. Hopefully we do. I think right now I'm like 409 subscribers. Obviously I keep on climbing. We're gonna keep on climbing, making videos, enjoy riding the bike. So yeah man, you know how it is. Today we're doing a solo ride. I didn't even know I was gonna come out. I just thought, you know, just drop one of my videos with the boys, and I thought, you know what, throw this bike up, and not much sunlight left, so try use it. Why not try use it and keep the channel flowing. Woohoo, come on. Watching my channel, if you're new to it, smash the subscribe button. Obviously, I know I keep saying it, but I'm on the road to 500 subscribers. Obviously, the more the better. You know, the more stuff I can do. Like I say, I enjoy bikes. Can't go wrong bikes, you know, go out bikes, do what you gotta do, ride, vibe, eat some food, and just repeat, you know. Yeah, another thing I want to say is to you lot. Yeah, I've got a microphone, so, you know, all that wind noise and everything, that's gonna go. We're going to be a little bit more professional, but like I said, I was just looking into it, like good mics to get and everything. I need to get adapters, I need to get a casing for the GoPro. So yeah, it's all coming, man. Just bear with me, like I said, a bit of patience. So everything's coming along nicely together, be a little bit more consistent than previously. I'd enjoy and just grow the channel and just see how far we can get it out there, to be honest. Hit some corners around here. Well, I actually trying, we're doing it. Around here they've got nice little bends. Why not, boys? Why not? Come on. Sun back, beautiful. Come on, boys. Life's good, life's good. Looks like it. Yeah boys, just a little solo ride by myself. No, I'm joking. Some unplanned rides. Just one of them ones, innit? Just jump on a bike and go for it, I guess. Where are we going now? Yeah, we're gonna go this way, boys. Come on. Bumpy roads. Oh yeah, come on. Yeah, boy. Is that the next turn off? I think so. Come on. Looking good. Good to go, man. Full or what? Bro's on electric bike anyway. Bro's chilling. You know what? I like people who like to have banter, man. You know when you get the more the people just like, ooh, I don't know, man. But anyway, it's all about good vibes. Always good vibes, you know how it is. What we saying, boys? What bikes you riding? Let me know in the comment section. Or even like, what's your dream bike? Or what you're riding right now? Or you know, anything like that. Let me know. I'd love to know people. Well, obviously what bikes you're riding or what your dream bike is. And obviously at one point I love to get R1 or R1M. That's like my main goal, you know. Well, I wouldn't say main goal, you know what I mean? That's just a bit too, yeah. But I could do with R1, you know how it is. Get tucked in, get some real power down me, boys. Get some real power. But I can't lie, these bikes are the 600, 650, 636s. They're good bikes, they're good bikes. What stage is that then, bro? Not sounding sick, was it? Come on. Like I said, my 636 at a minute, 19 or 20 years old now. If it's still got 130 horsepower or not, I don't know, boys. What we saying, should put on a dyno? Well, not at the minute anyway, not at the minute. See what's still running, what kind of power. Who knows, who knows. I'm mad consistent with this, like YouTube though. Like keep banging out the videos, you know, keep making group rides. It can be different, it can be hectic, you know. Like me, I'm a crazy guy, you know what I mean? So I like to get crazy sometimes, you know. That's how I make myself laugh, you know, enjoy myself anyway. But yes, come on boys. See, everyone just likes bikes anyway. Let's go, come on. Come on. Come on. Positivity today, boys. Positivity. Come on. So once I get everything together, the proper setup for motor vlogging, I am going to push it, trust me. I've got a lot of ideas in my head. Like I said, every time I go out, I think of something and I just store it in my head. Trying to plan things as I'm riding. That's either like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. I'm always trying to use everything I can and make the most of it as well. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to keep on pushing. I'm hoping this channel gets, you know, big. Well, I don't know how big it is. I can't say, you know, I want like 10 million subscribers, but you never know. At the minute, my goal right now is to get 500 at least by end of the year. Obviously, if we don't hit it, you don't hit it, you know. There's always a next year, and then obviously next year, we'll just keep doing it, you know what I mean? Obviously, if I'm boring you at the same time, let me in the comment section, like, yo, stop talking, get some crazy rides going, and obviously we can do that, no problemo, bro, no problemo. But yeah, I just thought something a little bit different. I'm trying to get some wheelies, some stoppies going off, and everything else with it. See what Knots Life's saying today anyway. I don't even know what time it is. We're saying like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Let's see how busy it is. But listen, I've got another question as well. I keep seeing like people on bikes. You know, that's either ped or actual big bikes. Bro, Broski's wearing like shorts like he's in Miami or something. Bro, listen, if you come off that 10 miles an hour, anything like that, hey, baby cakes, woohoo! Come on. Oh yeah. Anyway, if you come off to like 10, 20 miles an hour, you're still gonna do damage, man. Like, I don't know, bro. You guys wear full gear or just whatever, like, you know, just wing it. Get Mr. Miami vibes on, shorts on and that. But yeah, man, let's see what North Life said anyway. Yeah, it's looking quiet, man. That's how I prefer it, to be honest. I don't know why, but this reminds me of that ER6F a little bit. Like when it sounds, you know, when it's just idling. It's got that 2-cylinder sound to it when it's on idle. But it's not, she's got four cylinders. She's screaming, baby, she's screaming. But yeah, also, let me know where you guys from in the comment section. Obviously not Birmingham, wherever, man. Let's just, you know, get a comment section going off. Oh, why is this guy doing this, man? Oh yeah, it's not doing anything. What? Come on. See what I mean about bike? Straight in and out, baby. No messing about. Where are you going? Come on, baby kid. Oh my god. Yeah, Pete, I ain't gonna say nothing. It's cool, good vibes today. Oh yeah, shout out, bro. Come on. Bro's laughing as well. I don't know what bro said, but shout out to him as well. Come on. Oh shit. Oh, I get some bites. I can hear bites. I wanna know who that was. Last time I know. Alright. Let's try and catch up with the two. I can see it. Who is that? Wow, screaming, man. Woohoo! Come on, boys. Go. Please let the goes on. Let's go. Woo! Bro's in a rush, innit? Bro's in a rush. Which way is he going? Hold on. He's going up there somewhere, man. That traffic light. I don't know, bro. Bro's moving mad. Yeah, bro's moving like GTA still. That's something I'll do on a different bike. But it's cool. It's cool. We've tried, boys. We've tried. Well, I'm gonna have a go and see if we can catch up to bro. Make sure we're all good behind the map. He's gone, man. Oh yeah, look, come on, bro. Yeah, bro's gone. Oh. Shout out to you, it's all good. Boys, I think mission failed. Bro's gone. If I can hear or not, I don't think I can. He's gone, mate. The way he was moving there. He's moving like he's in Brazil or something. That's alright, we don't do that, Oh AI anyways, oh AI. Getting good at it anyway, getting good at it. Oh, these things all, man, get my heart going, man. Yo, boys, I just seen something. Look at this. Woo, S15. Oh, I look clean, man. I can't lie, I prefer the old cars like these. So I'm gonna cut it here. But, bro, I'm not even long to wash this bike. Oh, flies in me. But anyway, she's good, man. I like this bike. Boys, we found a culprit. This thing is mad. Yo, oh my god. Yo, listen to this thing, man. So the guy I've been trying to catch up is one of my guys. He's got a new exhaust in this thing. It sounds monstrous. Yo, let's hear it. Oh my god, but this thing is loud. Oh my god. Woohoo! Mate, this is loud as fuck. Oh, I can't believe this. Mate, the echo on this is mad. Wow. Sound is mad. Oh. Absolutely nasty piece of kit this is. Absolutely nasty. What the hell? Listen to this. Nasty, boys. Let me go up and down for it one more time. Nah, this is nuts. Yeah, this is crazy, man. This is nasty.